Welcome to CPI Exchange, our cafe forum where we will invite leaders of associations and organisations from around the world to share their knowledge and exchange ideas on the future of events, be they physical, virtual or hybrid. In this episode on November 25th, we'll take a glance in the rearview mirror of the past 9 months and discuss what are the 10 things we wish we knew about organising virtual events. We will collectively share these learnings in an intimate group and talk to our clients on their transition from live events to the virtual world. We will discuss the latest trends, how to commercialise your virtual event, and explore how do we maximise engagement in the virtual realm. For us at Conference Partners International, this is an opportunity to give back to the industry that has enabled our success for many years in business. No one could have prepared us for the sudden change 2020 has thrown at us, but we can now take hold of how we move forward and learn from each other. I do hope you join us for our next CPI Exchange Cafe on the morning of November 25th. We look forward to seeing you with a cup of coffee in hand.